Hi kids. This is Mia and Max. They love playing outside and having fun with their friends. They know how to stay safe, just like you. Sometimes we get a good touch. A good touch is when someone makes us feel happy, comfortable, and safe. Examples of good touch: hugs from family, holding hands with a friend, a pat on the back from a coach. Mia is frowning. A person is trying to touch her shoulder, but she looks uncomfortable. Sometimes, we might feel an uncomfortable or bad touch. A bad touch is when someone makes us feel yucky, scared, or upset. No one should touch your private parts. It's okay to say no, and get help. What to do when it's a bad touch: say no loudly, move away quickly, tell a trusted adult like a parent or teacher. Max tells his teacher about a bad touch. If anyone tries to give you a bad touch, it's very important to tell a grown-up you trust. They can help you feel safe again. Who to tell: parents, teachers, school counselors. Mia and Max smiling. You are the boss of your body. Remember, good touches make us feel happy, and bad touches make us feel yucky. Always speak up if you feel unsafe.